Hi everyone, I am Meera. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're watching me for the first time, let me tell you I make videos on makeup, beauty and lifestyle. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you for being here and welcome back. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification of that. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this very easy, quick, my go-to makeup look for Western outfit. I thought of making this makeup look because I've been watching a lot of videos where people are sharing their go-to makeup look, their everyday makeup look, and when I see those I feel like it is beautifully done on camera, but you can't actually wear them on in your real life. Like when you meet a person, you can't have that much of makeup on your face, that much of a foundation or that much of eyeshadow on your face. This makeup which I'm sharing with you today is actually wearable. It is something that I do and step out of my house. It is something that you can do and step out of the house and meet people, and it will not be awkward. So that was the whole base behind doing this makeup look. I hope that you'll enjoy this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the very first step that you have to do after you have prepped your skin or after you have taken care of your skin is to use a primer. No matter what kind of makeup you're doing a heavy base makeup or you're doing a very light makeup, it is very important to use a primer. I have been saying this since the time I have started making videos that it is very important to use a primer. It gives you an even finish, it gives you a very smooth canvas to work on, and it makes your makeup last longer. Plus आपकी skin और makeup के बीच में एक और barrier हो जाता है, which is a primer, so it is always a good thing. So I am using L'Oreal Base Magic. It is by far the best primer that I have used. Just apply it all over your face. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोना डू आई शेडो, बिकॉज हमेशा ईजियर होता है और बेटर होता है कि आप फाउंडेशन लगाने के पहले आई शेडो कर लें. इन केस आपका आई शेडो में फॉल आउट होता है या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, स्मज हो जाता है, एनीथिंग, इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर दैट यू डू योर आई शेडो बिफोर डूइंग योर बेस. यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन का फ्लॉलेस 4. सो हियर बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग अ वेरी न्यूट्रल मेकअप, आई वॉन्ट टू गो विथ अ कलर जो हर ड्रेस कलर को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करे. दिस इज़ द शेड दैट आई एम गोइंग फॉर. इट इज़ लाइक अ वेरी लाइट ब्राउनिश विथ अ वेरी लाइट टिंच ऑफ पिंक. It's a very earthy color and you can actually see that this is the color which I have like utilized the more from the whole palette, because this is basically what I do. कुछ नहीं करना है, बस अच्छे से आप इसको डैब कर लीजिए. So there are a lot of times when I am like in a hurry, या आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा जल्दी है, आपके पास ये टाइम नहीं है, तो what I like to do is जो ब्लश मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैं वही ब्लश थोड़ा सा आईलिड पे भी लगा लूँगी. It also works very well. It looks very natural and it looks very presentable. Make sure that you cover the inner corners as well. Day to day kind of makeup है, and I am making sure that this makeup is actually wearable in real life as well, not only just on camera. I don't want to cover like the whole thing with eyeshadow. Just make sure कि आपके lids पे आ जाए ये यहाँ तक और हल्का सा ऊपर. Don't like cover the whole area with it, because then it will look very off in real life. बट अगर आप फोटो शूट के लिए करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन जस्ट गो ऑल द वे. नाउ दैट दिस इज़ डन, एज यू कैन सी, अब मैं एक वी बनाऊंगी आउटर कॉर्नर पे, एंड आई एम गोना यूज़ ब्लैक फॉर दैट. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू यूज़ ब्लैक, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू अ डार्क ब्राउन. इट्स टोटली अप टू यू. Make a V and just blend it. और ज़्यादा evenly blend करने के लिए we'll go back to the same color that we had used before. This is it, very easy, very simple to do, kind of a smoky eye, and we're going to repeat the same one on the other eye as well. So now that you can see that I have done both the eyes, now हम inner corner में हल्का सा एक shimmery color लेंगे और apply करेंगे. You can also skip this step if you are not comfortable with it, but एकदम lightly inner corners पे थोड़ा सा shimmer लगाने के लिए आपके eyes को एक काफ़ी अच्छा pop मिलता है. You can see. There. Next, I'm using foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is very, very good if you have oily skin. Apart from that, L'Oreal Infallible is also an excellent foundation if you're looking for one. Now, I highly suggest that you do not use foundation on a daily basis. It will just ruin your skin. So make sure that you're using the foundation only अगर कुछ special है या you want to stand out throughout the day. Apart from that, I would highly suggest that you do not use foundation on a daily basis. अगर daily के basis पे बात कर रहे हैं तो it is always better to use a BB cream or a CC cream. There are n number of options available from Maybelline, Garnier, Lakme. They make amazing BB and CC creams. अगर आपके पास BB और CC cream नहीं है, you can easily make a tinted moisturizer by yourself. Just take your face moisturizer, add 2 to 3 drops of foundation to it, mix it well and apply it, and you're good to go. But make sure that you do not apply foundation on a daily basis on your face. और अगर आप किसी ऐसे प्रोफेशन में हैं जहाँ पे आपको डेली फाउंडेशन लगाने की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है या आपको जनरली पसंद है डेली फाउंडेशन लगाना, देन मेक श्योर दैट यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ़ योर स्किन. लाइक कॉम्पनसेट कीजिए. अगर आप फाउंडेशन लगा रहे हैं, बहुत टाइम तक मेकअप वेयर कर रहे हैं, देन कॉम्पनसेट इट विद टेकिंग केयर ऑफ़ योर स्किन. ओके. Also, a very important thing that please do not forget to apply foundation on your neck. I've seen a lot of people जहाँ पे उनका फेस का कलर एकदम ब्राइट होता है और नेक का कलर एकदम अलग होता है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू कवर योर ईयर्स एंड नेक with the same shade whatever you're using. After this, I'm gonna use this Lakme Rose Powder to set it. I really love this powder. It's so nice. आप कॉम्पैक्ट भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Totally up to you. You do not need to have like a setting powder and all for regular use. ये सब चीज़ें काफ़ी अच्छी लगती हैं जब आप एक हैवी बेस काइंड ऑफ मेकअप कर रहे हैं या कुछ स्पेशल ओकेजन के लिए मेकअप कर रहे हैं. On a regular basis, you can skip all that. Next is blush. Now I love this blush. It is Deborah Milano and the shade is 13 Apricot. This is an excellent blush. If you're looking for new blushes, if you want to try out something, make sure that you give this one a try. Now this is a very important step because it gives color to your face. It can frame your face if used in a right manner. I like to use very light motions. Always remember that कम ब्लश लगाएंगे तो आप उसको हमेशा ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं, बट एक ही बार में आप बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लेंगे तो कम करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन योर बेस. I personally also like to put some on my nose, on my chin. I feel it just gives a very cute symmetrical effect to your face. इस स्टेप में मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्विकली, अगर आपको एक हल्का सा कंटूरिंग इफेक्ट देना है तो टेक अ ब्राउनिश शेड फ्रॉम योर आई शैडो पैलेट एंड जस्ट make sure the color is not too dark. Don't go with very dark brown. That's that. The next step is eyebrows, and it is, I think, the most important part of your makeup. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप करने का टाइम नहीं भी है, आप ब्लश लगा लीजिए, आईब्रोज कर लीजिए एंड मस्कारा लगा लीजिए. ये तीन चीज़ें भी आप कर लेते हैं तो इट विल मेक यू लुक वेरी पुट टुगेदर. For eyebrows, I always use this L'Oreal Brow Artist. It comes with 2 shades. I usually use this one, like the grayish one. Make sure that you're filling it very lightly. And always make sure that you are working on the natural hair only. Do not try and make any kind of shapes to your eyebrows. फोटोज कैमराज में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, रियल लाइफ में बहुत वियर्ड लगेगा. Just work with your natural brows. Next I am using eyeliner which is Maybelline Colossal. आप ये स्टेप स्किप कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू यूज़ लिक्विड आईलाइनर यू कैन यूज़ पेन आईलाइनर और जेल आईलाइनर और पेंसिल आईलाइनर. इट्स अप टू यू. आई वाज मिसिंग लिक्विड आईलाइनर्स तो मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया था. नाउ आईलाइनर लगाने से क्या होगा, जब आप मस्कारा लगाएंगे तो उसके पीछे एक बहुत अच्छा आपको बेस मिल जाएगा आईलाइनर का. सो टू लुक बेटर. नाउ इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू विंग इट, इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक थिन सी लाइन लगा लीजिए. But if you are good at winging your eyeliners, then go with it. I like to keep the line as thin as possible. As you can see that I have winged it very lightly. It looks pretty well. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line half of my lower lash line as well. Make sure you're not doing completely, just half of it. It will make your eyes look bigger. I do not apply kajal with this look, but if you want to you can. I believe कि ये वाला जो इफेक्ट होता है उससे eyes better लगती हैं, like थोड़ी सी open up लगेंगी, थोड़ी सी bigger लगेंगी. But if you want to apply kajal you can do that. Next I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. If you still don't use eyelash curler, then I feel that you're missing. So please buy one and use it. Now currently the mascara that I'm using is this Voluminous Lash Paradise. Recently bought it, have been loving it. I can't say that it is my favorite, but it's a good one. Also, if you want me to review this one, kindly leave a comment down. Now I always say that whenever you're applying mascara, always make sure that you're applying it in a circular motion and make sure that you're working with whatever you want एक ही कोट में. ड्राई होने के बाद आप उसको डबल कोट करेंगे, it will look very weird. Do not forget your lower lashes. Quick tip, in case आप जब मस्कारा लगा रहे हैं मस्कारा स्मज हो जाता है या you blink or anything like that happens, do not try to wipe it off immediately. Let it dry. When it dries it will flake off very easily और आपका मेकअप भी ख़राब नहीं होगा. Next step is lipstick. Now I like to use very natural nude lip colors on a daily basis. But if you want to change this look into an evening look या थोड़ा सा party kind of a look, आप red, maroon, plum kind of colors भी use कर सकते हैं. Here I am using Nude Nuisance by Maybelline. Have been loving the shade. It's very nice and natural. Obviously it does not last long, so I have to like keep on applying it, but it's a very good shade. Also a very quick tip, अगर आप एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा न्यूड कलर ले रहे हैं या लाइटर कलर ले रहे हैं जो आपके लिप के शेड से लाइटर है, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर लाइनिंग योर लिप विद अ डार्कर लिप लाइनर और फिर आप वो कलर लगाइए. इट विल लुक वेरी नाइस. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना हाईलाइट ऑल द हाई पॉइंट्स ऑफ माई फेस लाइक द ब्रिज ऑफ माई नोज, माई चीक बोन्स. This palette is from Makeup Revolution, which is a combination of blush and highlighter. In case you're wondering, I'll link all the products that I've used in the description box, so you can easily find out. Finishing off the makeup look, I'm just gonna set it with this makeup fixer which is from Faces Canada. Using a makeup fixer is equally important as using a primer. No matter which type of makeup you're going for, makeup fixer will make your makeup last for a very long time and it will make your makeup set invest in a good primer and a good makeup fixer. I'm done with my very quick go-to makeup look for Western outfits. So this was it. This was a very easy my go-to makeup look for Western outfit. I hope you have liked this video. If you have, please like this video, share it with your friends and consider subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Till then, be you, be beautiful.